Today we are here with the Smart Girls Engineering Camp. The whole purpose of this camp is to empower our young ladies of the engineering future, teaching them about science, technology, engineering, mathematics, and what a great place to get started. But in the 5th and 6th grade, we're so grateful to Tech Titans and all that they've given to us for this opportunity.
This camp is really exciting for girls because it shows them that they can do anything. Engineering world is not just for boys. An opportunity for them to learn from other engineers, seeing what's out there for them to do, opening up possibilities that they thought they might not ever have.
I want to be a scientist because I love trying new things, and my favorite subject's math.
I would like to be a computer engineer and work with a lot of coding. Because coding is really interesting and it looks very complicated, and I like the complicated things.
I figured it out at STEM camp because you build rockets, you figure out what to do, and if it doesn't work, you just try again.
If you accidentally do something really wrong, you have to start all over again, so you have to pay attention.
Overall, we're building a workforce pipeline in North Texas here locally. And so we're doing that by working on the front end of the funnel, which is to inspire students to opt into STEM-related studies and to sustain them and retain them once they're in those programs. Our goal this year is to have 5,000 inspirational engagements with students in North Texas. An additional goal is to increase the participation of women and underrepresented minorities into STEM-related studies and ultimately into STEM-related careers, which are, of course, amongst the highest paid and most rewarding career occupations in the industry. Please get involved. Go to our website, contribute your time, your talent, and your money, and help us achieve our goals of developing a workforce pipeline here in North Texas.